Morning, guys. Weather's nice and clear. Sun hasn't come up yet. We're about to start searching for some trash. Let's see what we can find. The problem we're going to see today, at least this morning, is yesterday evening that water was really low. It was well down past those little spikes you see there, those little stakes. So any kids and whatnot who were playing down in that area, well, water came back up, so now probably all their toys are in the water, which is ridiculous. But I see some more trash down here. Let's get it cleaned up. Found us a tiny sports car. No doubt it's all about family. Now it's trash. And bottles. This is always interesting to see what people bury. Like burying these plastic hangers is really going to do anything. Good times. So, folks come out here with these cheap flip-flops, they break them, and then instead of taking both of them to the trash, which is right there, they're nice enough to leave them on the beach for someone else to clean up or to wash in the water. Gotta love people. First full load, haven't even made it to the pier yet. Sun's up. Looks like it's gonna be a great day today down here in Galveston. Toys, cups. The cups and stuff fall off of the Pleasure Pier here. But toys, cups, bottles, all the normal. It's gonna be a beautiful day. All right, we got our next load between the pier and Murdoch's. There's some nice loose sand. Heading back. Hope y'all enjoyed this video of morning trash cleaning. Have a good day.